Welcome to the LG Customer Support channel. This short video will show you how to use the pizza function on your LG double oven gas range. The pizza function on your LG double oven gas range is specially designed to cook the perfect frozen pizza by automatically preheating the upper oven temperature according to the pizza type. It is necessary to preheat the oven before cooking a frozen pizza in a gas range. To begin, you must first determine the type of pizza that you will be cooking, either regular thin crust or rising crust. Press the pizza button once for regular thin crust, and P1 will appear in the display, or twice for rising crust, and P2 will appear in the display. Once you have selected your pizza type, press the Start button to begin the preheat. Pre will appear on the display. Once the oven has preheated, the preheat alarm will sound. Open the oven door and place the frozen pizza directly onto the rack of the upper oven. For best results, the rack should be placed in position A. Close the oven door and set the timer according to the pizza package directions. When the timer alarm sounds, or when the crust is cooked and cheese is melted to your liking, press the upper clear off button and remove the pizza from the oven.